First Timothy 1 verse 5. Now the end of the commandment is charity, out of a pure heart and of a good conscience and of faith unfeigned. So that's a message of the Lord for you, that God wants you to be pure and God wants you to be holy, to be righteous and to be kind, and He doesn't want that there is a space of sins in your life. And He doesn't want you to live in sins, but He wants you to die in sins and to stop in sinning and to stop on sinning. And God wants you to allow Him to correct you, to discipline you, and to allow Him to make you pure and to allow Him to clean you. And He doesn't want you to depart from the faith, but He wants you to keep on standing. He wants you to keep on having faith to Him, and God wants you to learn from Him. Thanks for watching my video, and God bless you all.